There is no better time than here and now.
What is a flat coin? It's a new type of stable coin, right? I mean, at the moment, all the stable coins are in a way pegged to a real world asset. That real world asset is a US dollar. We could have it in euros, we can have it in Japanese yen, but realistically, 99% of all transactions in crypto land or on Web3 are US dollar denominated. What we're saying with a flat coin is that it's pegged to your basket of consumer goods that you spend your money in on a day-to-day basis. So it's flat to your purchasing power. How do we do that? It will deviate from the US dollar based on inflation. So your US dollar is going to always be $1, but you won't be able to purchase that steak, that gas at the gas tank anymore because you need $2 in order to purchase that. And what we're saying is one flat coin will always purchase you 1 gallon of gasoline, 1 14-ounce steak, whatever it might be. But that flat coin will always be able to purchase against that. And as a result, it will deviate from that real world asset, a US dollar, and it will deviate by inflation. So it's basically an inflation adjusted US dollar in the case of a US dollar, or an inflation adjusted stable coin.
There are so many different types of innovation, and that's why right now is the best time to be alive. It is super exciting times.